So I quit my job. Oh boy, this is gonna be a doozy. Let's open the windows up a bit. Off the camera a little bit. Oop. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I don't know how to be a content creator. I'm a girl who just quit her job and is moving across the country to pursue graduate studies at an Ivy League university. And I just feel like I should document this. Like, I don't know what's about to happen, but I feel like it'll be good, and I feel like I want to document it, and I also feel like I want to, I don't know, hopefully inspire or help someone in some way. I don't know. I have been going back and forth about this for several months, because like of all these reasons, right? Like I don't have a proper setup for vlogging, or you know, recording nice videos or doing whatever. But it's my hope that doesn't matter. I told myself that I was gonna just come in here and turn the camera on and not worry so much about being super polished and having some pretty background. I'm getting ready to move across the country. This is what my office looks like right now. But yeah, so come along. I'm gonna go through some stuff while I'm chatting with you guys. And we'll just see how this goes. I'm getting ready to leave Atlanta. I currently live in Atlanta, Georgia. Wait, maybe I should introduce myself. Hi. My name is Parker. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I am a director, writer, producer, filmmaker, pole dancer, weightlifter, event curator, and bad bitch. So that's me. I have went to the illustrious Howard University in Washington, D.C. I then moved down here to Atlanta, Georgia, where I've been the past 7 years, getting it out the mud as a creative. I have made my own series. I have my own series, which is words. I have my own series. It's called A.T.L, which stands for All These Lesbians. It's a queer anthology series based on my life as a queer woman here in Atlanta, or my experiences, not my life specifically, but my experiences as a queer woman here in Atlanta, Georgia. Let's see, I have been in plays, I have directed plays, I have written and then directed plays, and then like I was saying, I'm going to, after 7 years of being in Atlanta, I'm going to be going to Connecticut to attend Yale University to get my master's in directing for theater. Yay! I'm super excited about it and also very overwhelmed. So I started this video by saying I quit my job. Yeah, I quit my job. For obvious reasons. I'm moving. I quit my job a lot earlier than my parents or my financial advisor know. They'll know after they watch this video though. Hey, Deidre. Yeah, I just felt like I needed a break. I felt like I needed time to pack, you know, and I would love to, you know, have worked up until it was time for me to go to school, but
oh, somebody, he needs some milk.
You know, like I have so much stuff from being in Atlanta for 7 years. I have a lot to do, and I also do a lot. So currently I am assistant directing my last show in Atlanta for a while, Ain't No Mo at True Colors Theater Company. It's gonna go up on July 29th. Gonna be located at the Balzer on Lucky Street. I'm also a co-founder for Queers and Beers A.T.L, which is a free, accessible third space for queer folks here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I am in pre-production for filming the last couple of episodes of my web series. So So yeah, I quit my job. And that's not to count the summer reading that I have to do and do reflections on. And again, right? So yeah, I quit my job. And it was very scary. And I'm supposed to be working while I talk. Sorry, I'm not doing that. I don't know. I mean, like, y'all know how it is. You go to work all day. Imagine, like, going to work all day and then coming home and packing. Or, you know, don't, like, I mean, I guess you could do it and then you'd be making money. That's what y'all saying right now, ain't it? Well, it's just not like that for me, okay? I need to focus. Which, like, I obviously can't multitask. Anyway, I just want to show y'all because I just found this in this envelope. I have to declutter. I'm like low-key a hoarder. I have to declutter. I just found this from the first ever Queers and Beers that we had with a bunch of signatures. So shout out to all of y'all. Day ones. The first one took place on Wednesday, January 11th, 2023. We are 2 years old now. So shout out to all the day ones, man. Shout out to all the day ones. It's so crazy that I got into Yale. Like, not crazy, I guess. Like, I don't want to say it in a way of like I don't believe in myself, but it's just very crazy to watch your dreams come true. I was so nervous. I was so nervous. Hello. I am about to have my interview for the Yale School of Drama. Like, even saying that is just such a blessing, and I'm so humbled to have even made it to the interview stage of the process. I'm lighting a good fortune incense for, you guessed it, good fortune. And I just feel really grateful. I feel really grateful. Like I said, really humbled to have even made it to this far in the process. And yeah, I'm really nervous, but we're gonna get it. I'm gonna record the interview, actually. I wish I had done that with the last one. I think it'll only help me figure out how to be better, remember some of the questions that are asked, and help me, you know, maybe formulate some better answers for the future. It's literally in 30 minutes. I feel like I'm gonna shit my pants. Look in the camera, I feel like I'm gonna shit my pants. Just fill the space with some good juju. I'm glad they're not gonna see this angle because obviously I gotta get this studio office together. But this angle is really good. I cleaned the background. So yeah, we're doing it, y'all. We're doing it and doing it and doing it well. We doing it and doing it and doing it well. I had all these plans. I was like, oh, I'm gonna reread the script today. I'm gonna da-da-da-da. And I mean, I did, you know, do some stuff today. I did a whole mock interview earlier today with Jamil. But ultimately, I said not to overthink it. They just want to know who I am. I'm just about to have a really fun conversation about the work. And that's just it. It doesn't have to be a big deal. So, I'm listening to my little gospel music and try to relax. So, see y'all in 30 minutes. And but I just had no idea, like, I don't know. It's just my wildest dream. Just my wildest dream just coming true. I was one of 3 applicants selected. And I just feel immense gratitude, immense gratitude. yeah. I don't even have words. I really don't even have the full word, like words to describe how much it means to me. So time to pack it up and move to a new city.